So, nice to meet you. Can you please share a little bit about your company, a little bit introduce yourself? So, why are you here?
Hi, thank you for having me. My name is Konstantin. I'm one of the co-founders of a company called Paybis. We're 11 years on the market. We're like OGs in this space, and we're doing a lot of different things in crypto. So first of all, we started with creating a crypto wallet and making it easy for people to buy their first crypto. Like you can buy it with Visa, Mastercard, with Apple Pay, Google Pay. So we're trying to make the experience of buying your first crypto as simple as buying something on Amazon. So our goal is to increase crypto adoption, bring more people into crypto space, and so on. Then we started doing the same for companies, right? Helping companies get into crypto. And let's say last year's trend is that more and more companies are getting into stablecoins because they want to do cross-border payments. The stablecoin is a perfect vehicle to settle between one company to another company, pay out maybe affiliates, pay out employees, pay out your users. It's getting a lot of traction. And then we are doing a lot of B2B products where basically we help other companies to do more or less the same. A good example is a crypto wallet wants to have a buy button inside the crypto wallet, and almost every crypto wallet has now. And all the new projects on the space are also integrating these options. So this is something that we do, and we help companies to help their clients get onboarded into crypto from web to space.
I see. So, yeah. So, could you please tell us more about how does your solution help new projects to succeed? Like the technical, maybe things behind this process.
All right. So, for example, we are now on this hackathon
Yeah.
meetup side conference from Token 2024, and we have a lot of companies here who are building new stuff. And I'm amazed because every time I go to a Token conference or another one, I see a lot of new talents, a lot of new companies emerge. Everyone is building new stuff. So typically, every new project in crypto space, what they usually miss, they usually sometimes forget about the Web2 people, right? They're building something in GameFi, they're building something in, let's say, investment space like DeFi, staking, trading, swapping, right? So everybody's focusing on Web3 people who already have crypto, right? But still, there are such a little amount of people still onboarded into crypto worldwide, right? That every project can still address and attract more Web2 people into their application, into their use case. And we exactly help with that. So we provide a solution which has an API and it has a user interface. So basically, web SDK and mobile SDK. We call it embeddable finance, right? So we can embed our product into your product and make it easy for your customers to let's say interact with your project using fiat, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and vice versa. So this is kind of the main features how we help the new projects attract more users to get more traction. But sometimes the on ramp can actually play a role in the adoption of your project.
Okay, I see. Thank you. Right now will be like a little mean question, but I have to answer it. No, I have to ask it. What sets Paybis apart from its competitors?
Yeah, that's a very good question. I mean, the market is pretty saturated. There are so many RAM providers out there. But what I usually say, if you compete on some market, you can compete on three different things. Usually, typically on three things, right? One is the pricing, the most easy one, right? So we can provide the better pricing than maybe other competitors. But the pricing, I mean, there is still a level as low as you can go. Average price and the market is more or less the same. Second thing are the features, right? So you can build if you compare a solution that you want to pick, right? You would want to focus on something that would increase the conversion and the improve the usability of your main product, right? So we provide some features inside our products that helps you to reduce the friction for the customers, right? And number three is coverage. We're one of the providers which has one of the most coverage globally. We have a lot of payment methods, not just Europe and Visa, Mastercard, but also we have payment methods in Latin America, in Africa, in Asia. So it means that if you want to, let's say, target users in different areas, we have a lot of payment methods on the table. These are like three things which stand us apart from the competition.
Okay, I see. And the last question, maybe you can reveal something that you plan for the future. So maybe some points from your roadmap for next couple of years.
We have so many things on the roadmap. We want to build so many things. For example, during the conferences, I met so many different projects that we want to integrate with. I mean, for our consumers, we want to, of course, bring the earning features, right? Because right now it's a crypto wallet where you can, it's the focus is on, let's say, first people, or the people who are getting into crypto for the first time, right? They get the Bitcoin and let it just sit there. What we want to bring is that they don't just store Bitcoin, but they can also earn in the cryptocurrency that they are.
Yeah, I see.
And our wallet is a semi-custodial, right? So it's more secure than keeping funds on exchanges, but it's more user-friendly than keeping funds in non-custodial wallets. And then we want to build also more features around like Neoman. So, for example, the customer will not only be able to open an account with us and have access to crypto wallets, but also get access to fiat, let's say to bank accounts in euros, in USD, in GBP. So we are doing towards neobanking type of app, but we are growing from the crypto space, right? Adding neobank features on top of our products, like also our debit card that people can use. So things like that.
Nice. So yeah, I see. Thank you very much, and I wish you a lot of success this year
Thank you.
and next years too. So yeah, thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you.